Welcome to MZM Cafe. As we walk inside, the warm and inviting atmosphere welcomes us intensely. The coffee has this comforting vibe that makes you feel relaxed the moment you step through the door. Soft light, simple decor, and plain aesthetic all combine to create a cozy spot. Perfect for students, friends, or anyone just looking for a calm place to unwind. As we slowly make our way to the counter, we took a look at their menu. MZM Coffee offers a variety of foods and drinks, from refreshing milk teas, classic coffees, selections, and flavored snacks, down to their best-selling wings. The menu is simple, easy to understand, and budget-friendly. While browsing our option, we try to decide what to get, wanting something flavorful but also something popular from their list. Subtle decorations that add character without overwhelming the space. It's the kind of setting where you can enjoy a meal, study, talk with friends, or simply sit down and relax. After a bit thinking, we finally place our order: garlic parmesan chicken wings and strawberry tea. While enjoying the food, we take a moment to do a simple review. The wings are cooked well with a decent texture and flavor. The milk tea has a smooth sweetness that complements the meal. Overall, it's a satisfying combination if you're looking for something simple yet enjoyable.
Start mo muna siya sa MZM. First letter na siya sa name sa owner ba ng MZM. Tulong mo na siya ng MZM. Nag-start niya sa January 16 this year naman. Starting opening up is 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Si Panday gawan niya Michael naman.
Last question. Location and
Malaysia. Pag-Ilar Street, Malaysia naman 16.
After finishing the interview, we take one last look around the cafe. The ambience, the food, the drinks, and the hospitality all come together to create a but inside experience.